YouTube? It's your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then hey, what's up? My name is Ashley and I hope you guys join the fun, join the crew, join the squad, and hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're one of my OG subscribers, then welcome back to my channel. Okay, you guys, so I have a fun video for you guys today. I have a plus size swimsuit haul for you guys from a company called Meet Curve. So they reached out to me via email and sent me some cute swimsuit pieces, so I'm here to show them to you guys. So if you guys are ready to get started, then let's begin. Okay, so here is the first swimsuit. It's this really pretty like blue striped swimsuit. It is a one piece and it is halter top, as you guys can see in the back. So you just have the string that goes around the neck and it just, you know, it's a halter type top. And I think it's really pretty. It fits really great. I got all of the swimsuits in a size 3X, but of course I'll have everything listed on the screen and each item will be listed in the description box, so make sure you guys go and check it out. But yeah, you guys, this is so pretty. I love it. First of all, the colors are just so nice. It screams summer, it screams beach, it screams pool vibes. Like, I really need the pools and stuff to open because your girl's trying to go swimming, okay? Because I look cute, okay? So I really love how this looks. I love the details of it. It has a very like deep neckline, so you're showing the girls off a little bit. It also has these ties at the sides, so you can make it more like cheeky. You can make it more cheeky, or you can just bring it higher up on your hips or on your waist. So I like that. I've just left it normal. The bottoms have a very good coverage, as you guys can see in the mirror behind me. It's not too cheeky. I'm not showing too much of the booty, not showing too much, but of course you can adjust the size so you can make it more cheeky if you want to show off a little bit more of the booty. So yeah, this piece, I really like it. It is so pretty, and it also comes with a bra on the inside, so you don't need to wear this with a bra or anything. It comes with a bra on that's already made into the swimsuit, so I do feel like I'm nicely supported. And of course you can adjust the ties in the back here and make this tighter, so if you want a little bit more lift, you can get more lift, or if you just want to let the girls do their thing, you can let the girls do their thing. So yeah, this is the first piece. Okay guys, so this is the second swimsuit, and this is actually a two-piece. It's a tankini, which is perfect for us plus size girls, because if your tummy is your problem area like it is for me, then this helps to cover it up, but you're still getting cute two-piece vibes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I really like this. This is actually really cute. Like, this would be really cute as like a top. So like if you're going to like a pool party or going to the beach, you could totally rock this as is and just throw on some shorts and it would look like a actual outfit, but it's really your swimsuit. So yeah, I really like how, you know, nice it looks. So this swimsuit also comes with a built-in bra as well, which actually provides a lot of really good support. I'm quite impressed with how well it has the girls sitting, way better than the other one that I had, probably because it was a deep like neck cut or a deep like V-line, which is why the girls couldn't sit up really nicely. But since this comes up so high, the fabric or the bra mechanism on the inside is really holding the girls really nicely. And of course it does have removable pads, so you can remove the pads, but I do have the pads in right now and I really do like how it has the girls sitting up. So like I said, this is a two-piece, so it comes with the tank top and then it comes with a high-waisted panty. As you can see in the back, it does also provide really good coverage. You're not showing too much cheeks or anything, but of course if you do want to be a little bit more cheeky in the back, you could just purchase, you know, any old black bikini bottoms and it'll go perfectly with this, since it is, you know, has black in it. But yeah, you guys, I really like this. The back is covered up as well for the most part. You're not showing too much back, or your rolls or anything are sticking out, so I really do like it. And this is just so cool and calm, and it's cute and it's comfy, and I actually really like this. I've never had a tankini before. I've never worn a tankini before, so I'm really excited to, you know, finally have a tankini to call my own. And it's actually really cute, and I do feel like I'm wearing a two-piece. It doesn't feel like it's a one-piece, it does feel like a two-piece. And of course you can interchange it. If you got like a red bottom, it would still go perfectly with the top. So yes, I really like this. I also got this in a 3X, just like the other swimsuit. And yeah, I'm really liking it, and I'm loving the coverage in the back. I'm not too cheeky, I'm not showing off too much. So yeah, this is this swimsuit. Okay, so here is the last swimsuit. This is also a two-piece tankini set, and it's this really pink, and it has like palm leaves on it, and it's like floral. It's pink, so I love it because my favorite color is pink, so it's really pretty. This one is also a halter neck, so it just ties up behind the neck, and it just comes up on the back like that. And it also comes with a black high waist bottom or panty as well, which I love. And what I really like about this is that this tank is actually really long. Like, you could pull this down and almost wear it like a dress. Obviously it's going to be very short, but you could potentially wear it as a dress, or you can just wear it as like a two-piece with, you know, the bottoms just showing or whatever. These high waist panties also aren't very cheeky. You have really good coverage in the back, so I really do like that. And yeah, I think this is really pretty. This also has a built-in bra on the inside, so my girls are nice and secure. They're not going anywhere if I move. And of course it does have removable pads, so if you don't want the pads, you can take these out. So yeah, I think this is really pretty. I love the color, and of course this could also be paired with some cute shorts or some nice bottoms, and you can have a cute outfit going to the beach, but you're already low-key in your swimwear, you know? So I really like that. So yeah, this is this. So yes, that is it for this really cute swimwear haul from Meet Curve. A big thank you to Meet Curve for sending your girl these pieces and for partnering with me. I really love each piece, and I really need the beach to open so that I can go swimming. Okay, the beach or the pool needs to open. Really hoping this pandemic thing can end, because our girl's trying to go swimming and look cute in the water in my new swimsuit. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, be sure to subscribe to my channel and drop me a comment and let me know which one is your favorite outfit. You guys, I honestly think the one piece with the stripes was my favorite because I just love the colors against my skin. Like, that one was really cute. But comment down below and let me know what your favorite piece was, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.